This is the VM-3, which is a dedicated mold making machine according to Haas. It's really just basically a VF3 with a few features that a mold maker might use. All right, so this one will go all the way down to 0. The other machines only have a 10% as the lowest. All right, so 1200, 24. 12,000 RPM. Tool change. This one's got the side mount tool changer rather than the carousel. Same warm-up program. It's got a 1000 psi through spindle coolant on it, which is great for drilling deep holes. I got to keep the door closed because the water will shoot all over otherwise. That's 1000 psi coming through there, and if you have drills with coolant holes through them, it'll shoot the coolant down to the bottom of the drill, and you can drill without pulling the drill out of the hole all the time. It's a great feature. I mean, it was an option when I bought it, but it was worth every penny of it. This unit back here, that's the through spindle coolant pump. So, it's got a 24 tool carousel tool changer on it. The other two machines both have floppy drives. This one's got a floppy drive. I think it's got a USB thing that I've never used. I've got it hooked up, actually I got all three of them hooked up to Ethernet, so I can send the programs directly from the computer. The two other ones, the VF1 and the VF3, don't have a direct Ethernet connection. They've got a RS-232, but you can adapt that to send the programs right to the machines.